वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू पंडित इन्वेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। चलिए आज डिस्कस करें निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की प्लस कुछ स्टॉक के ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे। तो कैसा रहा आज का दिन आप लोगों का? होप यू हैव एंजॉयड अ गुड हैंडसम प्रॉफिट। हमने ऑलरेडी लास्ट लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में बताया था इन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी में target, and we have already achieved in almost near 17,000 in nifty, only 50 points left. It was high was 16,951 today and close at all time high 16,931. So 70 points to go. Hope we can see a gap up opening again in nifty, and we can see almost near 17,000 level tomorrow. But there is one hurdle, that is trading RSI is at overbought zone, so we can face some supply zone from their profit booking, and we might again see a second half to a big rally in nifty. तो और जैसे कि पिछले वीडियो में कहा था, जो लेवल्स दिए थे ऑलरेडी अचीव हो चुके हैं, और 16,930 का लेवल बताया था वो आज टारगेट अचीव हो गया। 17,000 और 17,114 ये दो टारगेट है। हो सकता है कि कल या इस वीक के एक्सपायरी में हम इसको अचीव कर लें, लेकिन कल अगस्त का मंथली क्लोजिंग होगा और 1 सितंबर जैसे सेबी मार्जिन का रूल्स लागू होगा, तो हिसाब से कल एक बड़ा दिन होने वाला है इंडेक्स के लिए, निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी। जैसे बैंक निफ्टी आज ब्रेकआउट दिया है, जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, और बहुत सारा रेजिस्टेंस है। आज बैंक निफ्टी ने उससे पार करके ठीक वहीं पे क्लोजिंग दिया है। 36,330 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग बैंक निफ्टी ने दिया, बहुत अच्छा और बेहतरीन क्लोजिंग। बैंक निफ्टी हैज़ गिवन ए गुड ब्रेकआउट टुडे and given closing above 36,330 and is required to hold and trade above tomorrow. The first resistance will be in bank nifty at 36,460, and if trade above this level, then we might see 37,000 with rapid movement in bank 37,000 rapid movement in bank nifty tomorrow. So if suppose if gap up opening tomorrow 36,500 or 465, then we can see a good movement in bank nifty, and target will be 36,500 will the first target, second 36,730, and next almost 36,900 to 37,000 level on the upper side. But there is a one hurdle that bank hourly chart is trading near overbought zone, so 77 it can go up to till 90. So we can see 36,800 to 36,900 in bank nifty tomorrow if cross 36,500 levels on the upper side, and support will for tomorrow will be 36,200 to 36,000 level, and we can see some consolidation if after breakout opening or gap up opening tomorrow. So long with 36,000 stop, and target will be 36,800 in bank nifty to in bank nifty future. I can see 37,000 levels in bank nifty future tomorrow. And for short only, if trade below 36,000 level on the spot level, and target will be 35,700 on a downside. Regarding nifty, we can see also 17,000 level, but 16,955 must cross, and bank nifty that today's high was 16,951. So trading above 16,955, we can see 16,991 to 17,000 on the upper side, and support will be 16,900 first, and then 16,880, and last support will be 16,800, and if that level broken, then we might see the gap filling that is 16,700 can come down in Nifty, 16,700 to 720 levels. So, this is the area to go long again in Nifty, and we might see again a good run, good move till 17,100 to 17,200 level on the upper side. So, this is a level for Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and we have given some stock on live trading sessions, already given stocks Lakshmi Organic. You see the movement. We have given a in Telegram channel to buy at 300 levels. Those who are viewing this YouTube channel, please also subscribe our Pandit Invest Telegram channel. We give a live update over there. जो पहली बार ये चैनल देख रहे हैं, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब दिस यूट्यूब चैनल और ऑल्सो डाउनलोड टेलीग्राम चैनल एंड काइंडली सब्सक्राइब पंडित इन्वेस्ट टेलीग्राम चैनल. सो 300 रुपया के में मैं कॉल दिया गया था करीबन 20 दिन पहले, और आज का भाव है 462 रुपया. और जैसे कि मैंने लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशन फ्राइडे सैटरडे को 8 बजे बताया, रात को 8 बजे इसका टारगेट. जिन्होंने वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो काइंडली आप वीडियो देख ले, इसका टारगेट क्या है. और दूसरा स्टॉक बताया था दीपक नाइट्रेट, इसका भी टारगेट मैंने बताया हुआ है. ऑलरेडी गिवन अ टारगेट इन द लास्ट लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशंस on Saturday, which was held on Saturday. The target already given, and you can continue this rally till stop of 2200, and please for target please watch that previous video. And today's stock will be Nelco. Those who are want to buy, you can buy the stock Nelco. Yes, Nelco. This is Tata Group company and already give a good rally. So, this stock to be watched. It started rally from 178 in the month of April, and now August it made high 565. So, already more than double. So, it is still can move further up, and the target will be $634 on the upper side to $745 in the next 2 to 3 months. So, buy this stock with a stop of 450 on closing basis and target 634 to 745. The stock is Nelco. So, this is the stock, bullet stock, just like Lakshmi Organic. It will give you a handsome profit, just like Deepak Nitrate. It will give a huge profit. So, buy this stock on also on decline, or you can buy and tomorrow also. For target, minimum target is 630 and then 730. So, this is the stock for tomorrow. I also given the ICICI Bank to buy, and ICICI Bank hit the target 710, and all today it went to 715. So, crossing above 717, we can see 730 in ICICI Bank in this series. So, you can also watch ICICI Bank. So, I given the stock Lakshmi Organic, Deepak Nitrate, ICICI Bank and Nelco. So, please watch this and focus on this stock, and already given the support and resistance for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Remember, they are trading all time high. So, keep your quantity in control who are trading in options and futures, because tomorrow is the last date for margin which will applicable from 1st September by SEBI. Those who buy the stock on the basis of leverage, they will not get the margin now from 1st September. Those who missed the video, please watch the SEBI new margin rule which already given in the icon. So, those who are the new viewers, kindly like the channel and please press the bell notification, and kindly also join the Telegram channel. Thank you.